Hello students, in this session we will see input output statements, reading and writing a character, and we will see sample programs to illustrate the same. Learning objectives are you will be able to learn the input output statements and how to take an input from the user into the program and how to output the character onto the screen from the program. After going through the session, you should be able to use IO statements in C programming language to take in a character from the console or to print a character onto the console. For this, you should have already learned the first unit. This is a prerequisite. Let's jump into the main content, reading a character. Often we'd like to take a character into the program as soon as the user types it on the console. Even before the user hits the enter key, the moment the user enters a character, it should be taken into the program. For achieving that, you have two functions, that is getCh and getChe. The only difference between getCh and getChe is that getChe echoes the character that a user has typed in once again onto the screen, whereas getCh doesn't. Whereas getChar, that is getChar, it echoes the character onto the screen, but it only takes the character into the program after the user enters the enter key. When the user enters the enter key or presses the enter key, only after that it functions. Thus, when a user enters any key, it doesn't take it immediately, but only after the user entering a single character and then pressing the enter key, then only the character is read into the program and it's echoed onto the screen. Let's see this example for better understanding. If you carefully observe this program, there's a main function here. Then you have ch is declared here. Then there is a printf statement. For this, it is printing here. This is output. This is a program. Press any key to continue is displayed here. Then getCh. At this moment, the cursor stands still. Then the user enters any key and it will be taken into the program, but it's not assigned to anything else. It's just left like that. But getCh doesn't echo the character onto the screen or onto the console. Thus, press any key to continue will display. After that, whatever the key that is entered by user will not be displayed back onto the screen. Next, there is a next printf. Type any character that will be displayed here. And once again, the cursor will stand still until a user enters any key. Assume now user enters a character B. B is taken into ch, right? It's assigned to ch variable, that is character variable. And here getChe will echo the character once again onto the screen. Thus, if a user enters the B, that B is displayed on the screen once again. Then next printf statement is that type any character that will be displayed here. Then there is a getChar, that is getChar. But here the user has to enter a enter key, that is user has to press the enter key after entering any character. Thus assume the user enters W and then hit the enter key, then only this will be taken to the program and it will be echoed back to the screen. Hope you are able to understand the difference between these three functions: getCH, getChe, and getChar. Now let us see writing a character onto the screen or onto the console. There are two functions, putCH and putChar, that is putChar, to put a character or to print a character onto the screen. Both are working the similar way, so they exactly function the same way to print onto the screen. Here is a program. There is a main method here, and there is a character variable called ch. It's initialized with a capital A. Put ch and ch is there here, thus A will be printed here. Put char ch, once again A will be printed. Put ch single in the single quotes z, thus z is displayed here. And put char, z is once again put up into this function, thus z is printed here. Put char and put ch, both of them does the same action, that is to print a character onto the screen. Right? Thus put ch and put char, they can only output a single character at a time onto the screen. In summary, getCH, getChe, getChar are the functions used for reading a character, whereas putCH, putChar are the functions used for printing a character onto the screen. So these are the references that you can go through. Thank you.